Did you know your breakfast could be silently sabotaging your health, especially the muscles and blood vessels that keep you strong where it matters most? If you're over 60 and noticing changes like weaker erectile, dwindling energy, or even numbness below the waist age, might not be the real culprit. Shockingly, the problem could be your morning meal. Most men don't realize that what they eat for breakfast either fuels healthy blood flow to the lower body or slowly chokes it off. And here's the real surprise, man. Missing one simple food that can help reverse the damage. I've worked with thousands of men nationwide who believed that fading intimacy was just an inevitable part of aging. But what we discovered was far more hopeful. I'm Dr. Mariah Kayatt, a men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience in urology and age-related performance issues. It wants to restore blood flow below the waist, but only if you give it the right support. Subscribe to Ever Seniors and hit the bell so you never miss a tip tailored for men over 60. If this resonates with you, comment 1 below. If not, comment 0. I read every response, and your feedback helps me create better content for you. And that support doesn't come from a pill or prescription. It comes from 5 simple morning foods. Foods you already know, but likely never realized, could reignite circulation and strength for men over 60. Here's the truth. Your body still wants to heal. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use them. You'll learn how these 5 ingredients can. Let's begin. Boost blood flow, strengthen pelvic muscles, restore confidence with 0 side effects, and stay until the end. Because I'll reveal a strange but powerful food combination, already helping men notice a difference in less than a week. But first, if you're serious about reclaiming your energy and improving blood flow where it counts, now, let's dive in. Food number 1. Plain yogurt. Nature's circulation starter. How many men over 60 have sat in my office, frustrated and embarrassed, wondering why their body isn't performing like it used to? Nearly every time I ask about breakfast, I hear, "Doc, I just grabbed coffee, maybe toast if I remember." Plain yogurt. Here's the truth. At this stage of life, your body craves specific nutrients. The moment you wake up and one of the best sources has been hiding in your fridge all along, you might think yogurt is just a light snack. But if you're over 60 and not eating it regularly, you're missing one of nature's most effective tools for probiotics. Gives reduce inflammation, clogging blood vessels. Protein plus calcium gives strengthened pelvic muscles. But fuel them properly in the morning, and your body responds. You'll feel when blood flow slows with age. These muscles weaken first. Fewer cramps. Numbness. After adding plain yogurt with honey to his breakfast, he called me weeks later. "Doc, I woke up feeling 40 again." That's the power of feeding your body what it truly needs. More stability, renewed confidence, and intimate moments proof. My patient James, 65, hadn't had a morning erection in 2 years. Most answered, cereal, pastries, or I skip it. By 1 month, his energy, sleep, and intimacy improved. Quinoa plus almonds. Tell your arteries. Open up, let S. Nourish the muscles and nerves that make me feel like me again. "Doc, I didn't think a bowl of quinoa could do that." Food number 2. Quinoa. With almonds, the artery cleaner. When men complain of poor circulation, weak erections, or a heavy feeling below the waist, I don't just ask about medications, I ask, "What's your breakfast?" My recommendation, a warm bowl of quinoa, topped with almonds. Quinoa is packed with magnesium plus fiber, relaxes blood vessels. For better circulation, almonds add healthy fats plus vitamin E, reduce inflammation, improve vessel lining. This combo doesn't just help your heart, it directly impacts erection strength and stamina. Example, Robert 69, swapped sugary cereal for quinoa with almonds and blueberries. In 2 weeks, his legs felt lighter. Key. Breakfast sets your blood flow tone for the day. For instant results, check the link in description and comments. Food number 3. Pomegranate. The bedroom fruit. When I told Michael, 63. To eat pomegranate for breakfast. He laughed. Isn't that just for fancy parties? What most men miss. Pomegranate is nature's Viagra. It's loaded with polyphenols, antioxidants that boost nitric oxide, the compound that opens blood vessels, enhances blood flow to the groin, works like meds without side effects. Men report stronger morning erections, better sensitivity, and confidence in just 1 week. Results: how to use it. He wasn't imagining it. His blood vessels were finally opening up. Eat seeds or drink 100% pure juice on an empty stomach. Michael called me after 2 weeks. Doc, something's waking up down there. Food number 4. Avocado plus olive oil. The circulation stabilizer. This combo gets the most skepticism until men try it. After fasting overnight, your muscles and blood vessels are starved for support. Half an avocado plus olive oil delivers. Monounsaturated fats keep arteries soft and flexible. After adding avocado plus olive oil to his mornings, he called in 3 days. My legs feel lighter. I don't need to lean on the nightstand to stand up. Potassium gives. Prevents cramping. Supports blood pressure. Anti-inflammatory nutrients. Gives strengthened nerves and muscles. Patient story. William, 72, had numb legs and groin aches. Why? It works. It's not just food, it's a morning reset for your lower body. Food number 5. Blackberries. The vitality booster. Tiny but mighty. Blackberries are packed with anthocyanins and vitamin C. In a week, he said. Doc, I didn't expect such a big difference. He felt more energy, better circulation, and renewed confidence. David, 66, added a handful to his breakfast. Tip: mix them into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Your next step: you now hold 5 powerful tools. Plain yogurt tomorrow morning. Pick one. Start small. Consistency is key. In days, you might notice these foods aren't trends. They're nature's remedies your body has been waiting for. Quinoa plus almonds, pomegranate, avocado plus olive oil, blackberries. But tools only work if you use them. Stronger legs, warmer groin, firmer steps, better responsiveness where it counts. Question: will you take that first step tomorrow, or let another day pass, hoping for change? After decades in men's health, I know this. Aging doesn't steal your strength only. What you surrender